Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Right here in St. Pete, Jon-Don Store. Uh, they sell all the equipment necessary if you're a janitor or you want to start your own business, cleaning business. They finance. The web page is jondon.com. This is the truck mount equipment, the rotor bag for the carpet cleaner, the iMop. Oh my god, iMop is a really good machine. It's a brand new technology. Tile and grout spinner over there. They install truck mounts too. Here I have seen all the why not?
Yeah.
What is your name?
I'm Stephanie.
Stephanie. I'm Fiorella from Any House Cleaning.
Nice
to meet you. And
Super
I
excited.
have my first time here.
Welcome.
And I have a channel on YouTube, Any
Oh,
House
nice.
Cleaning, with more than 3,000 subscribers. First time here, and I want to introduce them this awesome company. If you can give me a
Please,
tour.
by all means. Okay.
Sure.
So we're gonna just go around the store real quick, and then I'll just kind of give you a brief history of Jon-Don and where we started, how we started, and how we got to where we are today.
Sure.
So Jon-Don started. We're about 40, just over 40 years old. Our home base is in Chicago, Illinois. We started out mainly catering to the carpet cleaning industry. Then we've kind of branched into Jan-San and building service contractors. And from there, it's kind of segued even further into restoration contractors.
Excellent.
And general contractors, concrete contractors. So that's any sort of polishing, surface prep, decorative coatings. So over the years, we've kind of dabbled into different vertical markets, which has gotten us to where we are today. Now we have 13 locations nationwide.
Wow.
All over the country.
I heard that you have new locations, right?
Yes, in California, 2 actually.
Nice.
Yes. So
Good, congratulations.
And it gives us the ability to reach everyone in the country.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
And
So if
you're
we
really
don't have
fast in
something here-
shipping. I heard that.
Yes.
You
And
have
if we
really
don't
good.
have something here, we can bring it from another location. You'll have it.
Yes, I really have. You have a really good reviews online.
Thank you. But I mean, it's tried and true. If you call in, or if you're here and we don't have something, you place that order by 5 p.m. Before 5 p.m., you'll have it next day. If you're within
Excellent.
that shipping distance.
Wow.
Yes.
So this aisle is everything about janitorial, right?
Yeah, so this is going to be a lot of the Jan-San world over on this side. So there's going to be strippers, sealers, anything for floor care, surface prep, stripping recoat, wood floor care, polishing for like stainless steel furniture.
Let me ask you something. Most of my followers do residential or new construction cleaning, post-remodeling cleaning.
Okay.
And they have trouble to remove the haze from the wood floor,
Okay.
and also have trouble to remove the haze from the tile floor.
Okay, so like grout haze from the tile?
Exactly.
Okay.
And the wood haze. They have a pain because they try so many products. In your knowledge, do you recommend something special?
Yeah, so we actually carry a line that's specifically meant for wood flooring, and it's basic coatings. So basic coatings, we have a couple different products. Now, depending on what kind of sealer is already on the wood floor, how it's been maintained up until that point is definitely going to determine what your next course of action is going to be. But Squeaky is a great floor cleaner. It evaporates pretty quickly too, so it doesn't get the opportunity to just sit, get hazy, get tacky.
Okay.
So this is a great product to kind of combat that.
Okay, because a new construction, there is a lot of dust.
Oh yeah.
So after a really good vacuum with a backpack vacuum, I guess, that you always have, right? And you sell that stuff. We can use that product to remove the dust and the haze. Okay?
And it's concentrate, so 1 gallon's going to stretch pretty far.
Okay, excellent. And,
Yeah.
the price is really affordable too.
It's $21.27 for the gallon.
Excellent. How about the haze from the tile?
Haze on the tile, I have a bunch of other products that we're gonna get over there.
Okay, excellent.
But over here, this is gonna be a lot of your bathroom cleaners.
Okay.
Your disinfectants.
Excellent.
As you can see, we carry a lot with the Betco line.
Yes. So that's good. pH 7. Good.
So any sort of neutral cleaners, if you need daily cleaners, things that are gonna be safe on all surfaces, going in there multiple times
Good.
a week. all sorts of different kinds of porcelain and bowl cleaners, because every situation is going to be a little bit different.
Exactly.
So different acids for the jobs that you're going to need it for, right?
Good.
I also have liners, tons of different kinds of liners, different thicknesses, different colors.
Mm-hmm.
Then we also have any of the fresheners for the bathrooms.
Good.
For those facilities.
Yes.
So we have like the metering spray with the cabinets.
Mm-hmm.
We have the scented urinal screens, the different scented cones. These curves are actually really awesome to put inside of a trash can.
Oh, wow.
Those are fantastic, and they're easily concealed if the property manager doesn't want them seen. They're easily hidden. So
Good.
And they smell fantastic.
Uh-huh.
Here's going to be the fast draw system by Betco. So any sort of building service contractor that has a janitor's closet, there's a cabinet for a fast draw system, and it gives you the opportunity to choose like 4 of your main products that you guys are regularly using. So let's say it's your glass cleaner, floor cleaner, a disinfectant, greener, like a peroxide cleaner. So you're going to have a cabinet that gives you the different options and meters them out for you to put them directly into spray bottles.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So that way there's no guessing with the dilution.
Exactly.
Your crews aren't wasting any product, and it's easy to use for them.
Uh-huh.
We also have secondary labels to put on those spray bottles.
Oh, great.
Yep. And then all SDSs are readily available for you guys depending on the products that you purchase. All sorts of hand soaps, dispensers, paper products. As you can see, we have a ton of it back here. This is all going to be your paper products.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And then down here, this is still going to be, I mean, every vertical market really shops down here because this is going to be like your main supplies.
Yes.
So we got triggers, we got sprayers, cleaning sponges, different scouring pads, all sorts of different towels and wipes, janitor's carts, bucket and ringers, pommy sticks, and then this is going to be all sorts of different bowl brushes, right?
We always use this.
Oh, they're fantastic.
Yep.
Yep. So then we kind of go into broom handles,
Uh-huh. An
scrapers,
extension.
any of the accessories that will go with any sort of floor tool will be over here. Dustpans, any sort of cautionary items that you need, so tape, wet floor signs, closed
Exactly.
for cleaning signs for the bathroom doors, and then all sorts of different mops, flat mops, dust
Okay.
mops.
Yes.
We have microfiber, cotton, rayon, blended. We have all sorts, right? Flat mops for any sort of finishes. The different hookups for those. Microfiber cloths. Because depending on, what rooms you're going to be cleaning, you're not going to want to use the same
Exactly.
microfiber in a bathroom as you would in a kitchen or in a common area. We also have a bunch of glass cleaning supplies. So your squeegees, scrapers. Sorry, Steve.
How you doing?
Any sort of cleaning product as well. Okay. Then we kind of go over here, and this is going to be where we get into any sort of vacuum supply.
Exactly. I need
we
to
have-
buy this for the protein backpack. So
Yep.
many.
And then we have all
Aha, here we go.
yes, so all the backpack bags, upright.
Yeah. Question.
Sure.
I like this type of vacuum. Do you sell with the regular restaurant kit for floor or with the power brush?
It comes standard with a regular floor.
Okay.
Floor kit. It comes with the regular tool kit. You can get that power brush. It's like the rug rat that actually has the brush roll on it. You can get that separate.
Okay, this is the go-free, really expensive, but
Battery-powered
yeah,
one,
wonderful.
And then any sort of supplier accessory for the vacuums is going to be down here. So shakeout bags, replacement bases, any sort of replacement attachment, belts, brush rolls, HEPA filters.
You have everything. I'm really glad.
I'm happy that you found us. And then your flow machines, your
Yes.
rotary machines. We have the different pad drivers, brushes, risers, clutch plates.
Yeah, this is the attachment that I was recommend the people. This is extension pole,
Yeah, you know what's really great?
and
about that one
the
too?
brush is that one exactly. This is for carpet, and the one that is
The one that has the brushes on it.
I use that to dust the walls, vertical surface.
If there's
It's really high.
HVAC registers,
Uh-huh.
these are really good for like getting on the ceiling, getting in those vents
Yes.
for blinds.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
I know.
Yep.
I use it. That's good. That's good that you have it.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yep. And then further down here, these are going to be all of your different floor pads. So depending on the job that you have, we have polishing pads, just daily
And you have the
maintenance
one
pads.
that is melamine.
Melamine pads, yeah. Right here.
Excellent.
Yep, right here. And they're all
Okay.
sold in cases, so you at least
Yes.
have some to stock up. Stripping pads, polishing pads, hair pads. If you have a square scrub, we do have the square scrub pads.
Okay. Great.
Surface prep pads. And they come in a range of sizes.
Yeah, I know.
So, can at least accommodate everybody. Cymex pads, if you are using a Cymex machine.
Mhm.
And then this is where we kind of dabble into our carpet cleaning vertical market.
Mhm.
We have anything for bonnet cleaning,
Yes.
encapsulation cleaning,
Exactly.
upholstery,
Mhm.
any protectants that you
They
may
sell per chum. Okay, good.
yeah, any protectants or fluorochemicals that you may need. We do carry a variety. And then your defoamers, right?
Yep.
Those little items some people forget sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Right? We have the detergents, shampoos, pre-sprays. And over here you're going to have more of your specifics as far as products go. So you have your boosters, coffee stain removers, your tannin spotters.
Okay.
And then
And something to rinse and take out all the brown stains.
yeah, so it's going to be like your browning treatment.
Oh, okay.
We have the coffee stain remover and we have Target, which is a tannin stain remover, which tannin can be in mustard and coffee and tea, so it's going to help lift any of those stains. Acid rinse or an all fiber rinse also works for browning, so you could use that as well.
Good.
Then any of your spotters are going to be over here. So depending on the spot,
Exactly.
any money, we're going to have something that's going to help you take it out.
Yeah.
Okay? So reducing agents, gum removers,
Yep.
POGs,
Yep.
ink removers, rust removers, and then we have some great general spotters, ones that I have under my cabinet at home. So, Spot Out, which I don't even have any more of it. We sold out of it.
So out now.
Spot Out. Spot Out is a great just general purpose product. So, whatever the nature of the stain may be, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna help
Good.
reduce it down. Yep.
Okay,
Your
good.
pre-sprays, rinses. And then we go in here. These are going to be a lot of your deodorizers
Okay.
or your odor counteractants for urine are going to be down here. And then we also have any of your portable and truck mount accessories.
I love that one.
The spinner tool is fantastic.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. And then we have these here, which are going to be, this is called a motor scrubber. This is actually newer to us, but it's a battery powered scrubber.
Okay.
So there's a little clutch plate on the bottom here, or pad driver rather, that you're going to put, we have a bunch of different attachments as you see down here.
Yeah.
The actual brush itself, used on tile and grout, great for tile and grout. Then we have the different pads, so depending on the job, great for getting behind toilets, for stairs, smaller areas. This thing is fantastic. And like I said, it's battery powered and it's got a backpack that holds that charger for you.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. And there's more accessories down here, carpet wands,
Okay.
different upholstery.
So do you have a titanium wand?
I don't have one here, but we have one available at special order.
Okay,
I
good.
think I actually have 2 different ones available.
Yeah, it's really expensive, but it's worth it.
It is. For your shoulder's sake, it is.
Yep.
So we definitely have all sorts of different deodorizers,
Uh-huh.
couple of sprayers.
That's good. The pet odor elimination.
Yes. And it's great for concrete, like porous surfaces.
Ah, interesting. I have to buy that today.
It's really, really good stuff. This is our newer product too, the all-in-one.
Okay.
And very similar to this, you can use it on porous and non-porous surfaces. So around toilets, around urinals, where it has that urine smell, it's enzymatic. So
Okay.
it's actually going to help digest.
And it will be good for carpet too?
Yes, it's fantastic for
Okay,
carpet.
I will buy that one too.
Okay, perfect. And then further down here, we're going to have more of your odor and stain removers for urine. And then you're gonna kind of segue over here into just your general odor counteractants.
Mm-hmm.
So cigarette smoke. This one smells fantastic.
Yeah. Other side.
Odor side. Yep.
Yeah. This is a new one, eh?
Yep.
Good.
It's very popular in our Denver location. And then we have some inline sprayers, more truck mount accessories,
Yes.
and then hoses for your portable, your truck mounts.
Okay.
So all of that, we got hose cuffs beyond belief, blocks and tabs for under your furniture, more hose accessories, and then over here,
I didn't see the corner.
the corner
Cone.
guard?
Uh-huh.
I have them right over here. Right over here.
Oh, okay. That's what I need to buy
Yep.
too.
We have those, and then we also have spotting kits.
Oh, I love that one.
Carpet syringes are over here. Anything for carpet repair is going to be over here as well.
Okay,
Upholstery
excellent.
brushes. Yes. And then moving forward, we're going to be going into more concrete and decorative coating related items. So anything for... Hey, Rick. How's it hanging?
Somebody the tour?
Yeah, yes, we are.
You wanna
Hi.
Give them a tour of the orange solvent. You want to explain what that would be
Oh,
like?
do you need some help?
You want to follow?
All
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so the guys did not like this. They
Why
liked
not?
another. I don't know. They just said they liked the other guy's product.
Okay.
So
So this product in particular, it
So,
depends on how
so right here,
probably is an added booster.
that's all the sprayer. This is an electrical multi-sprayer, a foaming sprayer. Let me wait for her.